It's not normal video. I'm very much feeling anxious that the judgments or the stares, I don't know what it is, but I'm feeling very anxious.
It's soft, super soft.
Yes, I'm in the hotel. Hey, light people are there. यहाँ को turn मारती थी that, and I really love this place for that vibe. Guys, there is no one in the Sringeri today. We will explore all the places in Sringeri. They have so many fruits inside, okay? Filled with fruits. Okay, but I didn't know they're going to seriously do that, okay? Guys, guess what? I'm going to shoot a video. And it's not normal video. I'm going to shoot the video in my hometown. Like, in the streets of Sringeri. And it makes me feel so anxious already because I'm literally scared, okay? Because I'm anxious about the stares I'm going to get. My whole hometown is filled with the relatives, okay? So I'm very much feeling anxious that the judgments or the stares, I don't know what it is, but I'm feeling very anxious because I never shooted video in my hometown, like talking and walking. I just shooted and I just edited it, okay? So for the first time I'm going to talk in the on the camera walking in the streets, so it's very scary. First let's get ready, then let's talk about it. I'm ready, guys, totally ready. I'm wearing a kurti, but I don't think my heart is ready because I'm still feeling very anxious, okay? So I'm taking my brothers with me for I don't know, I can't walk alone, okay? So I'm taking my brothers with me, so let's see how it goes. Guys, now we are going out, okay? And the funniest part is my brothers are all in black and black. Like, they told me like in the afternoon that we are going to be like bodyguards, we are going to wear black and black, and I thought they're just making fun, okay? But I didn't know they're going to seriously do that, okay? And they're seriously doing that, and I think it's going to catch more attention, okay? So yeah, I'm already very anxious. Yeah, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜನನೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಜನ ಮಧ್ಯ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇರೋದು ತಾನೆ. ಯಾ ಸಂತೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಸಂತೆ. Yeah, we are going out and these are my bodyguards. I feel so shy already. Oh my god. You know what? When I was in Bangalore, I used to when I was in Bangalore, I used to be so carefree, okay? I used to do videos randomly in Bangalore streets. I never ever I felt this much anxious or shy. Seriously, Bangalore made me feel so safe, okay? But here, I don't know why I'm not getting that comfort. Let's go. Let's see what happens. Guys, you know what? It's Sunday and Sundays in Sringeri is like lockdown. No shops will be open, okay? Very rare you can see that. Shops are totally closed. And I'm in the middle of the Sringeri and I'm doing videos and everyone is staring at me already. Oh my god. This makes me feel so anxious again. And also this is fun, guys. This is fun. I never tried this and this is actually fun. This is getting fun, okay? Let me check if they are going to turn. Oh my god, they turned. Okay. So where are we going? Elloktadi.
Sringeri.
Guys, there is no one in the Sringeri today. There is no one. Okay, it's totally empty road. Like it's literally empty road. You can see there. Empty road. So it's making more comfortable, but there is no fun. ಪೊಲೀಸವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಾ? ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಪೊಲೀಸವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು? ಶೃಂಗೇರಿ ರಿವ್ಯೂನಾ?
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ
ಸೊ ಈಗ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಜೀಬ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ I saw a few people who know me and they stared at me and they went, okay? And that made me uncomfortable. Anyway, where are we going, guys? Hey, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ
ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿರೋದು?
famous bakery.
Okay. Famous. Yeah, we will explore all the places in Sringeri. I mean, not all the places. The places which I want to try, the places which are already very famous. So one he has mentioned, which is Kannadamma Bakery, and one more we are going to look for is there is a Raghavendra Hotel. Okay, I really love the aesthetics of that hotel. Okay, so we are going there. So we are going to try there. We will try something there. And guys, I don't have mic, and autos in my hometown makes a lot of noise. So, but I love those autos. Okay. So yeah, bear that with me. There is this bakery in front of Sharda Comfort in Sringeri. So they make the best brownies, okay? Like best brownies and lava cakes. They nail it, okay? So you have to have when you come to Sringeri, or if you live in Sringeri, so you have to try their brownies. They are so delicious. Whenever me and my sister are together, we come here regularly. As my sister is not here now, we rarely come here. I rarely come here. So whenever she is with me, I actually come here just to have that brownie and lava cake. They make the best brownies and lava cake. Yeah. So the other thing is like, I'm in the middle of Sringeri and I'm doing vlog, and this is weird because it is first time, okay? And someone just honked at me. That person honked at me, and that was weird. Okay, and yeah, so I think somebody called me. I don't know. Karudra yaradru. I know it's really weird. Okay, and Raghavendra Hotel ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋದು. So I have to cross the road now. Oh my god, till now it was all okay. It was all fine. Now I'm in middle of the Sringeri. It is called as Kattebaglu here. So now it's getting serious. Come, we have to cross the road. So now we are going to a hotel, Raghavendra. I have never tried there, okay? But the aesthetics of that hotel literally is so good. I really wanted to try that hotel, okay, from very, very long time, because I was in love with the aesthetics there. It was very, I mean, it is a very old hotel, and whenever I saw that hotel, there was no one, like literally no one. That is why I still want to try it, because I like trying underrated places. I might have, oh my god, is it closed? Idu. I'm in the hotel. Hey, light vehicle of This is the hotel. I yavagu try ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. I'll speak in Kannada for this, okay? Because I really want to be that authentic. ಇದು ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್, ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ಊರೊಳಗೆ. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನೋ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಂದಿರೋ, ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್. It gives such a vintage vibe, like the frames here, the desk here. ಯಾಕೋ ಟೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? Okay, everything gives so vintage vibe. Okay, I'll be showing that, and I really love this place for that vibe, because usually people change with the trend, but they're still the same, right? So I really want to try this. I have ordered 2 goli bhaji because I love goli bhaji. Okay, so we have ordered 2 goli bhajis, and we still have to have more food, so I have to save my appetite for later. So yeah, let's see how it tastes. Oh my god, it's here. Good. I'll have to know. Thank you. It's so good. Soft. The taste is good. I really liked it. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ತುಂಬ. They gave me 2 chutneys, okay? One is dark green chutney and one is very light. And I think I like this light green chutney a lot more. ಅಷ್ಟು ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Again in the middle of Sringeri. so middle of Sringeri that I am near police station. This is police station of our Sringeri. So yeah, now we are heading towards a very famous store in Sringeri which sells Gadbad. Everyone loves their Gadbad, okay? So the first time I visited there is with my school friend Mayuri. She took me there. It was the last day of my school and she took me there, and it was really good ice cream. So now we are heading towards there. Actually I have a bit cold, and so I can't take too much cold again. I'm feeling like feverish little, so I'm not going to eat Gadbad or anything. So these people are going to have it, so I'm going to buy them Gadbad from there. So then we are going to head towards a restaurant which they actually spoke about that time. Hey, avalu yavado ಒಂದು ಬೇಕರಿ ಹೇಳಿರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು? Kannadamba. Yeah, so Kannadamba bakery. So we are going to head towards there next. Okay, it's getting weirder actually. Anyway, so yeah, actually we are very close to temple. I have made a lot of videos on temple, and temple is like my second home, so I'm not going temple today. And also I even had non-veg for lunch today, so I'm not getting inside temple. But let's explore other places here. Yeah, so this is the ice cream stall, Srinidhi ice cream stall. So we are heading towards there. Enta beku nimge? Ha? Kutಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ನಾನೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಸಲಾಡ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಗಡ್ಬಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ here. ಗಡ್ಬಡ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್? ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ, 3 ಗಡ್ಬಡ್ ಹೇಳ, ಮಿನಿ ಗಡ್ಬಡ್ 3 ತಿಂತೀರ 3 ಜನ, 3 ಮಿನಿ ಗಡ್ಬಡ್. ಸೊ ಯಾ, this is very small hotel, okay? See, only this is it. Very small hotel. It's not hotel, sorry, I don't know what we call it, but it's very small tiny place where they sell Gadbad, which is very tasty, okay? I mean, everyone says it, so it's very famous actually. So we are here for that. I'm not going to have, but I'm going to steal theirs at least 1 scoop. I'm not 1 scoop, 1 spoon.
ಅದೀಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
They have so many fruits inside, okay? Filled with fruits. Maybe that is why it's very famous. Not fake fruits, but real fruits. ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಆ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಇದು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಕಣೋ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Guys, now they told me that there is a famous what is this? Bakery in Sringeri, that is Kannadamba. That one. Yeah, so we are heading towards there. And you know what? I like how temple looks at this time. Look how beautiful. I love how it looks at this time. So yeah. Enta beku? What do you want? ನಾನು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡಿ, ನನಗೆ ಬಂದು ಪಕ್ಕ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಏನು ಜ್ಯೂಸ್? ನಿಂದೇನು? ಇದು 2 ಹನಿ ಕೇಕು. ಮತ್ತಿನೆಂತ? ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡ. ಇವರು there is a place to sit inside, ಇವರು. I didn't get anything because I'm already full, you know. I have very small appetite, so I can't have more. These people are having. So I got to know the famous thing here in this bakery is honey cake. So yeah, you have to try. However, it is near to temple. If you are visiting temple, you have to have it here. Maybe give it a try. Yeah. Then next place. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಾ? ಹಾಂ
It's soft, super soft.
He wanted to give a review, so that is his review. Ninden review?
ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ರೀಮಿ ಇದು.
Nintendo. This is the funniest review that I have ever listened to. It's like I'm forcing them to give a review. Anyway, yeah, it's a very good experience anyway. So yeah, next year place so
I rated 7.5.
7.5. ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? 8. So not bad.
6.5.
ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಾ?
6.5.
ಏನು ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅದು? There used to be a pani puri stall, okay, in this road. There. Favorite pani puri stall, and uncle is not well now, so he has closed the stall. Now I don't think that he's going to open. So yeah, I really miss him. A lot because the pani puri there was chef kiss, you know. So yeah, now there is no particular spot that we are going to. There is no particular spot that we are going to. We are just going to roam. We are just going to roam around and then go back to home. So yeah, let's see where we are heading towards now. Taking me towards Maidana. I mean the hanging bridge. I have already shown you all the hanging bridge. So yeah, I don't know. There is nothing special here more over. So we are just walking. I don't know where we are going in particular. So yeah, there's a lot of stalls, okay. At one time they all demolished the stores, the stalls, and I felt very bad. The owners of the stalls were crying. I saw the video and I felt very bad, okay. Hello, copyright please. I didn't play the song. So yeah, we are heading towards where? Okay, anyway, let's see. Guys, now everything is done. Now we are heading towards home. There is no plan, no nothing. So it's just done. So it's a good experience. Actually, I just wanted to do this video to remove that anxiety in me of shooting in public, especially in my own hometown. There is a lot of things that I can explore here, but I had a fear, so that is the reason I couldn't shoot. So now I think I'm less scared of shooting